Young Chef's Delight is a culinary class that teaches basic cooking skills to you. Some of the skills that we teach are knife safety, we teach baking, we teach things such as mixing, we talk about some of the kitchen safety like protecting ourselves from heat, making sure we have an adult present when we need to utilize the stove, as well as safe warming tips. Today's lesson is focusing on baking, so they'll learn how to pipe icing onto cupcakes as well as roll cookies for baking. Once they realized that they actually made what they're eating, the expressions on their faces, they love it. Over the years in the school system, the curriculum has changed, and so home economics is not taught in the schools as often as they were back in the day. So one of the things that we specialize with Gifts to You is making sure that we teach kids skills that they're not taught in the school. And culinary is one of the things that the kids are not exposed to throughout the school year. The most important part of it is teaching the kids, one, kitchen safety, because we have a lot of kids that are harmed throughout the years when they're in the kitchen doing different things such as handling knives, utilizing the stove, doing different things. And believe it or not, these things also lead to foodborne illnesses. So it causes the kids to become sick and develop long-term illnesses. So one of the things that we pride ourselves on is teaching them the safe way to do it.
Cookie dough was less fun because I did it the wrong way and wasn't able to make a cookie, and making the cupcake was actually fun.
I like the best part was about the icing. I ate it. My favorite part was icing it, and I liked to ice it because this was my first time and this was fun.